Good morning, dear students. In the coastal plains and highlands chapter, we are into the last topic, that is highlands. In that, we will be seeing about two highlands, that is, first one Andaman and Nicobar Highlands, and next one is Lakshadweep Highlands. So far, we studied the meaning of coastal plains, then its location, importance, lives of the coastal plain states covered by the states, and we shall move on to the highlands now. So, dear students, so far we studied coastal plains, right? Now we will be studying the highlands. That is Lakshadweep Highlands and the Andaman and Nicobar Highlands. So dear students, highlands. Coming to the highlands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides that you know. And we also saw the two highland groups that is located on both the sides of southern part of Indian mainland. Which are they? Andaman Nicobar Highlands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Highlands in the Arabian Sea. Now, coming to the Andaman and Nicobar Highlands, it is a union territory of India where the president role will be there. So, what is its capital? Its capital is Port Blair. Port and Blair. Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Union Territory of India, that is Andaman and Nicobar Highlands capital is Port Blair, and it consists of how many highlands? It's a group cluster. They say that the Andaman and Nicobar Highlands consists of a cluster of over 500 highlands. That is more than 500 highlands. It consists of more than 500 highlands. But out of that, how many islands are inhabited? That is, inhabited is nothing but a place which is suitable for people to live. That is around 38 islands are useful for the inhabitation, that is living for people. It is suitable for people to live over there. Why they say that 38 are inhabited? Because for a living purpose they need proper food, shelter, clothing over there. Basic needs should be available. So out of 500 islands or more than 500 islands which are found in Andaman and Nicobar, in that only 38 are inhabited for the people's life. Next, coming to the location, the northern highlands are known as the Andaman Highlands and the southern highlands are called the Nicobar Highlands. What do we say? The northern highlands are known as Andaman Highlands. The Nicobar Highlands are located towards the southern part of highlands. And even these are separated. That is, Andaman and the Nicobar Highlands are separated by a 10-degree channel. So with this 10-degree channel is going to separate this Andaman and Nicobar Highlands. And Andaman Nicobar Highlands are the topmost part of a submerged mountain range. So it is separated by which? It is separated by 10-degree channel. And what is the main occupations over here? Like other coastal, in the coastal plains generally, what do they carry out? Fishing and farming, as the water is available in plenty. Next, which are the language they speak generally? Bangla, it seems. In that region they speak Bangla. But even though along with the Bangla they speak Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu in gen common. As the people move from India and other parts of country to the highlands, who stay over there, they generally speak these kinds of languages. Now coming to the Lakshadweep Highlands. We saw now Andaman and Nicobar Highlands in short. Now we will see the Lakshadweep Highlands. Like Andaman and Nicobar Highlands, like the Lakshadweep Highlands also a union territory of India. And what's its capital? Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of which highland? Lakshadweep Highland. So students, it consists of 43 highlands, but only 10 of these islands are inhabited. Like how in Andaman and Nicobar, it consists of over more than 500 highlands, but only how many are islands are inhabited for the people to live? That is 38. In Lakshadweep Highland, in the same way, it consists of 43 highlands, but it's a cluster, it's a group of islands. But among 43, only 10 of these islands are useful for the people to live. and these highlands are called as coral highlands. Coral island is nothing but a hard substance that forms on the top bottom of the sea, not on the above. It is a bottom under the sea, bottom of the sea from the bones of very small creatures. So this is called coral highlands. So students, this the picture which you are seeing in the video is the coral example for the coral reefs of the Lakshadweep Highlands. What they say that a coral is a hard substance. See here, it's been formed under the sea water, under the sea, forms here at the bottom of the sea, and from the bones of very small creatures, under which the small creatures will be living under the bottom of the sea. This is they call as a coral highlands or the coral place under the bottom of the sea. And moving further, and here also they carry out which occupation, mainly fishing. The local people of the Lakshadweep Highlands carry out fishing, and the major crop which they grow over here, coconut. And people here speaks Tamil and Malayalam language along with Hindi, Bengali, Bangal, Bangla. Next, they to visit the best time to visit these places is during December and April, and this is one of the oldest home for the oldest tribe people. Even nowadays also the tribe people lives in this region where in the highlands of Lakshadweep and the Andaman and Nicobar Highlands. Even nowadays, like how we saw in the African countries, there are tribal people. In the same way, in these regions also we can see the oldest tribe people. Those people who doesn't know the education and the voting system about the other regions country, how they are living, and usage of the mobile technology, computer, nothing. They doesn't know nothing. They live in their own world. Whatever they get the resources nearby, they will have, and they will live happily. And the two important group of highlands which we can see is Retaches Archipelago and Labyrinthe Highlands. These are the which are the two important group of islands which you can see in the Lakshadweep Highlands. And generally, what the here, as we in the other countries, how we are going to do the crafts work and the food which we have. Coastal plains, we say means generally we'll have a seafood, majorly the seafood. Whatever the food they get as a in the from the sea, they will have the consume it. Next, what kind of crafts work they do? Generally they prepare nearby materials they get from the sea as well as the from the forest, as well as the shells from the sea, and they make mats from the trees, rope of the trees, and palm tree. From the palm tree they make the, and even they make use of wood, and wooden crafts work also is being done, like how the in India or other regions of the country, how we carry out some activities for earning, they also carry out all those things. So students, in today's class what we learned was about two highlands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Highlands, and about Lakshadweep Highlands and their features. In the live class we will be discussing about further more about this topic. Thank you.